Hey girl, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we got the spoilers for the Slay Glam box for the month of September. And I'm so excited to share all these spoilers with you because this box is a good one. So really quick, if you like my spoiler videos, make sure you're giving me a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, I would love to have you subscribe. And don't forget to ring the notification bell because I am random. I upload at least twice a week, but it is on different days. Make sure that you go check out my giveaway video because I am going to be giving away one of my eyeshadow palettes. So if you did not get a chance to receive this eyeshadow palette, you have a chance to enter into the giveaway. Of course, I will have that video linked down in the description box for you guys. So before we get into the spoilers, if you're not familiar with Slay Glam, it is a monthly makeup subscription box. It's $24 a month. You get 5 to 7 full-size items. You're guaranteed a palette in every box. And if you use code Michelle Martin, that'll save you 10% off your first subscription order. Now, I don't make anything off of that code. It's just a code to save you guys a little bit of money. But let's go ahead and jump into the spoilers. I'm so excited for spoiler number 1. You know I'm going to start with the star of the show, which is always the palette for me. And this month's palette is a Saint Angel Sinners palette, and I'm super excited for it because if you know Saint Angel Sinners formula, it is amazing. It's very comparable to Rasha B's formula, so if you've never tried anything from Saint Angel Sinners, you're in for a real treat. But this is a Saint Angel Sinners and Slay Glam collaboration palette, and I am so happy for this eyeshadow palette. It looks absolutely gorgeous. So this is going to be a 12 pan palette. We're going to get some oranges, some purples, some greens. This is a very fall time eyeshadow palette. Even though you're not getting like your traditional fall time colors, you're still getting them beautiful oranges. You're getting some beautiful greens. The purples you can even tie in with fall. So I love this eyeshadow palette. This looks like a very like colorful fall palette to me. So they did a great job picking all the shades and everything. I can't wait to see it in person. So spoiler number 2 is going to be a product from Chloe Orr, and this is going to be a rainbow multi-chrome highlighter. And this looks so gorgeous. When she swatches it, you can actually still see all of the colors. Now this can be used as a highlighter, but it can also be used as an eyeshadow. I love multi-purpose products, and this one looks gorgeous. It looks very smooth on the skin as well, so it doesn't look like it's going to be a really chunky highlighter or anything. If you like nice smooth applications, I think this is going to be a good one. Spoiler number 3 is going to be a product from Gerard Cosmetics, and this is going to be one of their liquid lipsticks, and I love this color. In my opinion, this lip color goes perfectly with the eyeshadow palette. Girl, I'm so excited for this box already. Honestly, such a great job pairing everything up. I cannot wait to get my hands on it. And I've never tried a Gerard Cosmetics lipstick before, so I'm excited. I have a couple of their eyeliners, and they're absolutely gorgeous. Very creamy. They glide right on, so I'm excited for the lipstick. Spoiler number 4 is going to be a product from Italia, and this is going to be a lip liner in the shade Wine, which is going to pair so pretty with that Gerard lipstick. I'm like, man, this box is so good. We're getting a highlighter, we're getting a lip liner, a lipstick, we're getting an eyeshadow palette, and everything coordinates like so well. My favorite, well, one of my favorite things about Slay Glam. Also, I love the Rasha B Cosmetics palettes. That's my like second favorite. Or is that my first? I don't know. But I love both of those. I love that this box coordinates and you can use the whole box to create a look. You don't have to like, well, I can use this piece today, but I can't use this piece because this red lipstick doesn't go with this pink eyeshadow. You know what I'm saying? Like everything just flows so good together. She really does a great job. You know, puts in a lot of effort into actually curating the box. It's not just like, well, I can get this product this month and this product this month. It's actually thought behind it, which I really appreciate in a box. Last but not least is going to be a product from Charmacy. Now this is going to be an eyeshadow primer, which is really cool. We haven't gotten an eyeshadow primer in a minute, so I'm glad that we're getting it. And honestly, I'm almost thinking that this is going to be like the NYX glitter glue. I mean, literally it looks almost like the same tube. So I'm hoping that it's going to be like this formula consistency. I'm definitely going to do a comparison and see if it compares to the NYX glitter glue. So I'm excited for this box. I'm actually excited for the whole box, but honestly I have to say I'm most excited for St. Angel Centers and Slay Glam eyeshadow palette. I cannot wait for that eyeshadow palette. It looks beautiful. So as always, girl, let me know, what are you most excited for out of the box? I can't wait to hear from you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!